Okay guys, today I would like to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. I think this is the best time to buy the Samsung Galaxy S series like the S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra, because the price were a lot higher than it is right now. After the launching of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, so the price for the Galaxy S series are cut. It's like 900 or 1000 bucks. In my country it's like 950 or 900 for the 4G and 1000 for the 5G models. There's $100 difference, so the prices are actually very good for the phone. So I will just tell you a little bit about the specs. uh, this phone weighs 220 grams, so it's a lot heavier than the other phones. Even it's heavier than the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It has the aluminum frame, curved Gorilla Glass 6 on the back and front. It has the IP68 water and dust resistant. It has only two colors, cosmic gray and cosmic black, so the colors are very boring this year. I have bought the black one. Actually I don't like black colors, but you have to buy one or the other. The screen size is 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, or a AMOLED display, HDR10 plus certified. So the resolution is I think 3200 by 1440 Quad HD and 511 ppi pixel per inch, and the screen brightness is 1200 nits, and it has a 120 hertz of refresh rate, but that only works with the Full HD Plus. It doesn't work with the Quad HD. On the front it has a 40 megapixel f2.2, so it can record up to 4K 60 frame per second. I think in the Note 10 Plus we have a 10 megapixel. On the rear I think we have four cameras, ultra wide of 12 megapixel f2.2, and the primary camera of 108 megapixel with the f1.8 aperture, and also it has OIS, and that it has also a telephoto camera of 48 megapixel f3.5 with the OIS, and it has a 4 times optical zoom, and it has up to 100x space zoom. It also has the time of flight sensor, which I think the Note 20 Ultra doesn't has it, and it can record up to 8K 24 frame per second, so with that 108 megapixel camera. So the processor is, I think, in the United States there is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865, but in my countries and the international market I think they have the Exynos 990. It has 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, and 128 and 512 GB of storage with the UFS 3.0, and it also has the expandable micro SD card, so you can expand that. This phone comes with the Android 10 One UI 2.1 out of the box with the wire DeX support, but in these days there is an update of One UI 2.5, so I will install that and I will show you. With that update there are a lot of the Note 20 Ultra feature is actually in the S20 Ultra, like the wireless DeX support, and there's a very good improvement for the camera. There was a little bit of focusing issue for the S20 Ultra. That's also fixed with that update. So it has a dual speakers, and there's no 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. It has a 5000 milliamp hour battery. So in the box we have a 25-watt fast charging, and it also supports the 15-watt wireless charging if you have the charger. Wireless charging is also supported, and also it has the wireless power share. But this phone also supports 45-watt cable and 45-watt charger, which is actually sold separately. But in the box we have a 25-watt fast charger. So this is a little bit of information which I have about this device. I actually unboxed the iPhone 11 Pro Max before this video and I uploaded it to my channel, but this is my second video of this phone. But I use a lot of Samsung phone, and I like actually their UI. So let's do a quick unboxing. Actually guys, I have to mention I already unboxed this phone, because in my country if you buy a phone you have to unbox it right away in the store, because if the device is defected they will change it right away. So that's why I have unboxed it. So I will just do a very quick unboxing. So this 24 month warranty is just a store warranty, it's not the Samsung one. So I think in the box we have another box inside it, which I think it include the SIM ejector tool and some paperwork, which actually I don't think no one would read it. It also has a TPU silicone case, a TPU plastic case. Actually it's a plastic case, but it's a very good for the security. I mostly use it. And this is the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So as I told you, it has only cosmic gray and cosmic black color. So actually I don't like black colors in this. So this year with the S series they has a very boring colors, so that's why I had to buy this one. As you can see, there's 4 cameras, 108 megapixel, 12 megapixel, depth vision. There's also a time of flight sensor underneath the flash, as you can see. So they has a screen protector already installed, a plastic screen protector. I never take it out. I really like that. It works very good. As you can see, there's no headphone jack, just a USB Type-C charging port, the speaker, volume button and the power button. So on the right side there is nothing, no Bixby key, and we have a micro SD card slot with the SIM card tray. So in the box, as you can see, everything is a typical Samsung. This charger is a 25-watt fast charging with USB Type-C, which is very fast. I have used this one, so it's very fast. I really like this charger. This one is actually empty. I think with the Note 20 Ultra there is some tips for the Galaxy, for the S Pen. So we have a USB Type-C cable and a USB Type-C headphone tuned by AKG. So this is all for the box. So guys, I would pause the video for maybe some time. I will put all my data inside it. I will install my applications. Then I will show you something inside the phone, which is actually something which I really like about this phone. I will tell you and show you later about it. So I'll pause the video for a little bit. Okay guys, so I'm back. I put all my applications from my other Samsung phone and I installed some of the application which were needed. So let's turn it on. It has a screen protector. As you can see, it is the S20 Ultra LTE. So this is the 4G variant. Actually Samsung sold the 4G and the 5G with the same price, but in my country there has a $70 to $100 of a difference with those variant. So I put my SIM card in it as well, and I put some of my data in it. So I will set it up a little bit. As you can see, it has a very beautiful screen of Quad HD. So it has a 120 hertz of refresh rate, so which is actually very good and is very smooth, but it is already not turned on, and this resolution is also not a Quad HD. So if you want to have that resolution, you have to apply some of that. I am mostly I set my phone, as you can see, the same like this, and when I buy a new phone through a smart switch, I just bring all my data, all my applications, my software, my data in the gallery. So I bring them all here. As you can see, all the gallery is actually fill out with my pictures. So this is me actually. So let me just show you this device. I just put all my data, and also I installed the update of One UI 2.5. This phone just comes out of the box with the One UI 2.1, not the One UI 2.5 with the Android 10. So I just update that in this time. Actually, I have a very good internet, so I did it very fast. So this is the One UI 2.5, and it also supports this option, the wireless DeX support, which there was not present before. And some of the issues with the cameras, with the autofocus, this has also been fixed with this update. And the zoom camera is actually very good, and it's doing a very good job. Before, the picture was a little bit blurry, and after this update, this works actually very good. So if we come to the display, as you can see, high and standard 120 hertz and 60 hertz. So by default it is on the 60 hertz. It's not high 120 hertz, but if we apply it, as we can see, it is buttery smooth and it works very good. It's very smooth and very good. But mostly, I use this Quad HD resolution, but the thing is, this both doesn't work together. We have to put the resolution, put the screen motion to standard or 60 hertz. Then we can apply this Quad HD. Now the screen looks very beautiful and looks very good. And also, most of the time I turn on this power mode, because it's also a WQHD, and also the device work a little bit faster, and it works with a higher performance. So most of the time it's been turned on in my phone. And as you can see, I don't use the navigation buttons because it works very fast, it works very good, and everyone should use actually these gestures. They should not use those buttons. So I also installed or download some of the backgrounds, which as you can see, this gallery option was not here actually in the One UI 2.1. Now it is here. So we have some boring backgrounds, but I have download my own. There are videos and still images, so there are a lot of backgrounds. The beauty of a screen is on their backgrounds. As you can see, it looks so beautiful right now, and it's a Quad HD, but it is not the 120 hertz because these two doesn't work together. And I also like my phone to work a little bit faster than this. It has a slower animation. I don't like this slower animation, so what I do is actually on the developer option, I just trim down the timing to actually 0.5, because the phone will work a little faster and feel faster. So as you can see, if you open an application, now it will work faster. That's why I mostly use it like that. So as I told you, it has a very good screen and dual speakers. Let's test the audio and maybe the screen as well. Okay, it has a very good sound. I actually really liked it. And let's do a screen test because it has a quad HD display, which is very beautiful. So for the media content, actually this screen is very beautiful and a 4K resolution. So guys, as you can see, it has a very good screen and a very good sound quality, and I like everything about this phone. I also took some pictures with it with the time I paused the video. As you can see, it can zoom very good. But actually I take all these pictures before I install the update, so the zoom quality is actually better. So I will take some other pictures and I'll post them later maybe, but these pictures were actually taken by the S20 Ultra before the update, so maybe it works better after the update. So guys, if you like the video, you can give a like to the video and subscribe to my channel. There are some other unboxing, like the unboxing of Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and the Tab S7 Plus are coming. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video.